I'm going to start with this just incredible little, you know, when you need to just kind of pick it up a little bit. You know, you get those little days, you know, like Sundays or Mondays. Bloody Maria. You can use a white or a Blanco tequila. This type of tequila, Cabo Wabo tequila, good tequila, okay? A couple of teaspoons that we add in here. And then we take the juice of 1 lime. Love this stuff. Fresh horseradish, okay? Little fresh horseradish in there. See, I'm getting it in there to dissolve it. That would be this right here. This is horseradish root. And then you peel that, and then you grate it like you would grate a potato, and you have grated horseradish. The kind you buy at the store is generally prepared with either vinegar or with a cream, but that's where it comes from. It's a root. Now, you got to have a little, what's that here, sauce? Oh, yeah. And some hot sauce of your choice, okay? Oh, yeah, baby, you just... This is when you ask yourself, Self, how many notches do I want to have this Bloody Maria? And then all the vitamins that you need, tomato juice. Now, what I like to do is just get a little bit of ice cubes. And then whatever garnish you want. This particular one that I like, this is called jicama with a J. Jicama, delicious stuff. Oh yeah, good for the tummy. God, do you have to bring your pets? Get out, leave us alone. Jicama. So that's what this is here that I peeled. Tastes like a pear. It's crunchy, delicious. Or whatever other garnish that you want. I got a little cucumber. All right. Where are you guys from? Good place to be. Best. You too? Yeah. All right. Had to get the glasses, Doc. I like to put them in the freezer, you see? See, they're nice and frozen like that. Okay. Okay, here we go. Some for you. Some for me. More for me. Some for you. A little more for you. A lot more for me. Me, you. Okay. Now, finish it off just like this. And how I like to finish it before I garnish this. You like celery?
Yes.
Celery? Yeah. Cucumber?
Sure.
Cucumber?
Yeah.
How about some jicama?
Throw it in.
Yeah.
Okay. Jicama. Little fresh pepper like that.